Cappadocia. Cappadocia is a magical corner of Turkey. With its natural beauty, historical texture, and mystical atmosphere, it offers unforgettable memories to every visitor. Cappadocia's unique geography has been shaped by nature over the years. Therefore, every corner of the region is full of fascinating details. One of the most remarkable features of Cappadocia is the fairy chimneys. These fairy chimneys are unique rock formations that have formed over centuries as a result of volcanic eruptions and erosion. The soft tough layers are thought to have eroded over time and remained like a protective hat over the hard basalt layers. These interesting formations are also famous for being used by humans as underground living spaces. The underground cities of Cappadocia are secret shelters that were once used to protect the inhabitants of the region and avoid attacks. Cappadocia's fascinating landscapes are not limited to fairy chimneys. The valleys, canyons, and hills in the region are a paradise for nature lovers. Göreme National Park is an ideal place for hiking and trekking. Here, as you make your way along the paths through the tough rock formations, you will encounter a different view at every step. Other valleys, such as Zelve Valley and Ilara Valley, are also full of natural beauty waiting to be explored. The historical texture of Cappadocia is also fascinating. The region has been inhabited since Roman times and has been under the influence of various civilizations throughout history. Göreme Open Air Museum is one of the most important historical sites in Cappadocia. This museum is famous for its cave churches and monasteries. These ancient structures, decorated with frescoes, represent an important part of our religious and cultural heritage. Visitors to Cappadocia can participate in many activities in addition to exploring the history and natural beauties of the region. Hot air balloon tours offer an unforgettable experience for those who want to see the unique landscapes of Cappadocia from a bird's eye view. Balloons floating in the sky allow you to fully feel the magical atmosphere of Cappadocia. Handicrafts and handmade products are part of Cappadocia's rich cultural heritage. You can also find the opportunity to taste local delicacies in authentic restaurants in the region. Cappadocia is a place that preserves its beauty throughout the year. It has a different charm in every season. In spring, you will encounter a wreath of colors where nature comes alive and flowers bloom. In summer, you can enjoy flying in the sky with hot air balloons. In autumn, the leaves turn red and a romantic atmosphere is created where you feel the calmness of nature. In winter, the snow-covered fairy chimneys of Cappadocia create a fairy tale image. There are several different options to reach Cappadocia. First, you can travel to Cappadocia by air. The second option is to travel by bus. There are regular bus services to Cappadocia from various provinces and big cities in Turkey. Traveling by bus can be both an economical option and allows you to enjoy the beautiful landscapes on the way. Thirdly, it is also possible to go to Cappadocia in your car. Some highways provide access to the region from various parts of Turkey. You can have a pleasant driving experience accompanied by unique landscapes throughout your journey.